Authentic Jamaican curry chicken dish. If you always wanted to know how to make this dish, then save this video. After we wash and clean the chicken, we season with all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, and a little black pepper. Then we add chopped onions, scallion, garlic, ginger, and our curry powder. Next, we burn with curry, add the chicken to it, and then we just cover it for like about 10 minutes. Now we add our carrots or potato, a little water, stir, add our pimento, thyme, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. So it was 90 degrees outside, so I'd have to drink a Heineken to cool down. So now we just check on the pot a bubble up, we taste and see if it need anything. I added a tubs of salt, a little black pepper, and a tablespoon of butter, and we just mix that up. Give it a final taste, we're good to go, and we just let it cook down until it reaches your desired thickness. I don't like my gravy long,